y'all, welcome back to another squeaky clean life video. My name is Sean if you're new, and of course we're about to get this power hour in. So if you are ready to see what all I get accomplished in just 1 hour, keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning. And today I am going to start out in my bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and make up the bed and just clear all of the clutter and then move on.
Expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me. See you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up. You could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up. Call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
So before we get way too far into the video, I did want to mention that this is a collaboration with Lanette from Creating the Perfect Balance. You guys are going to absolutely love her channel. I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself right here.
Hello, my name is Lanette, and my channel is Creating the Perfect Balance. On my channel, you will see organizing, tons and tons of cleaning, decluttering, and decorating. I'm a very busy working mom of one, and I also have a fur baby. On my channel, I upload videos Thursday, Saturday, and a coffee hour on Sunday. If you enjoy my kind of content, when you leave this beautiful woman's channel, I ask that you subscribe, leave a comment down below introducing yourself, and letting me know that Sean has sent you.
Bet you never thought.
Okay, you guys, so once you're done watching my power hour today, head right over to Lanette's channel and check out her video. Show her lots of love. Lanette is super motivating over on her channel. She makes awesome cleaning motivational videos over there. I absolutely love her home decor. She is just a sweet person. You're gonna really enjoy her videos. So head over there, let her know that Sean from Squeaky Clean Life sent you. And if you are coming over from Lanette's channel, hi, welcome. My name is Sean, and I'm a wife and a mother of two. And over on my channel, I make power hour motivational cleaning videos every Sunday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I just hope in these power hours that I motivate you to get up and get your cleaning done without having it lingering on and taking all day, so that you can actually really enjoy your days, enjoy your life. So if you are enjoying my content and feeling my vibe, I hope that you'll subscribe and join my YouTube family. Leave me a comment and let me know you're here so we can chat and get to know each other.
Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up. You could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up. Call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
So right here, my husband had just tossed the towels in with our regular clothes, and I wanted to go ahead and get those separated so I can put them in the wash. So that's what you see me doing here, and we're just about done tidying up the master bedroom so that we can move on in this power hour.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.
So after cleaning the master bedroom, we had 39 minutes left on the clock, and I'll headed right into the bathroom to get that tidied up. And I'm just going to clean the toilet, clean the sink, the floor. It's always full of hair. I do have natural hair, you guys, and I promise you it gets everywhere when I'm combing it. So I'm going to get all of that clean, and I'm also going to be semi doing a little organizing. I got some new bins I wanted to add to this over the toilet storage shelf because I don't have any storage in this bathroom, and it's been interesting finding ways to maximize the space. So I'm going to be using lots of bins.
The cycle, when nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here
tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
So these are the little bins I got from Amazon. They were 2 in a pack, and I thought they go perfect with the bin that I had already purchased on this lower shelf. Now that one I did get from Walmart, and I really hope I can find more because I really like that one. But these fit perfectly here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them with the things that were already on the shelf, but now they'll look a little more pleasing to the eye.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes.
Now, after cleaning the bathroom and getting it organized a little better, I have 25 minutes and I'm in the kitchen gonna unload the dishes from earlier. And then, of course, I have to reload the dishes from dinner and everything throughout the day. And then we're gonna move on and clean the kitchen. This is always my favorite part of the power hour, you guys. And you already know, I usually tell you guys that it takes me about 30 minutes to clean the kitchen. We don't have 30 minutes today, so let's see if I get this all done.
Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no, we're running out of space.
If you're enjoying the motivation so far, please don't forget to leave this video a like, you guys. It really does help my channel out a lot. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying these power hours because this is something new for my channel. And also, it definitely helps me with the algorithm because it is a little tricky, okay? But I truly appreciate you guys for watching these videos. To all my loyals who keep coming back every single week for another video, I really appreciate you guys. You keep me going in the comment sections. I love reading your comments and your feedback. It means more to me than you know.
Thought of us sweeter. Praying for possibilities. Lately, you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. Slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I.
I'm just using some soft scrub and a little bit of dish soap to get my sink all clean. I really do like this combination. You guys also know I love barkeeper spraying, and they are definitely interchangeable. I don't think, well, I won't say that because barkeeper spraying to me has more uses around the house. You can use it for a lot of different things, but we'll touch bases on that in another video. But soft scrub really is good. So if you can get your hands on either one, pick them up and use it in your sink. It is a game changer.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life, yeah. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check work for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the way.
3 minutes left on the clock, you guys, and of course I decided to be Superwoman. Why would I not? And clean the living room. But it wasn't a mess, so you know what? I decided to tackle it because I couldn't let it be. I just could not. It's not in me to walk past the room and see that it needs to be straightened up and not do it. So we're gonna get this living room all tidied up, and we got 3 minutes to get it done.
Live my life.
I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's Power Hour. I hope you found it motivating enough to get up and tackle some things around your house, set that timer, and get it done. Don't forget to head to Lanette's channel and watch her video and show her lots of love. Let her know that I sent you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.